All right, so we are at 209 Nepute, and this is pre-construction, so ignore the outside of the house right now. But before we go in, so we're in Marysville, which has good schools. It's a big one. It's close to Edwardsville. I don't think you can probably see in the video at the end of the road, there are brand new construction townhouses. This road dead ends into them. You said there's a hospital nearby?
Yeah, right down the road here, there's Maryville Hospital.
Maryville Hospital is right there. And what I really want to show you is this house right across the street, which is super new. So this would be a B+ neighborhood. That's also a new house right there. So this one is really surrounded by new houses. It's a good school district, which oftentimes can be hard to find. Again, this is pre-construction. This is going to be somewhere in the $180,000 range, renting for $1,800, give or take. So the crews are in here. How many bedrooms and baths?
This is 3 bedrooms and it'll be 2 baths. We're building
a
new
nice.
Bathroom in here.
Okay.
It has a new roof. The new siding sitting in boxes out front.
Okay.
It'll be all new gutters and softening.
Okay.
It has brand new windows in it. This will be the living room.
Hi.
We're knocking out the wall to open this up.
Oh,
Okay,
nice.
so it'll be a much bigger open kitchen to. This will probably end up a half wall, like from here and back.
Wow, this is amazing.
You know, you have a whole new kitchen here.
Check out this old
that's old.
antique. And this will get all new flooring.
So this is new within the last 2 years.
Okay.
This is new within the last 2 years.
Okay.
Right here, but all of that stuff gets looked at and serviced by our HVAC company.
Okay.
This will be the laundry room when it's done.
Oh, okay, so laundry room right off the kitchen.
And then this will be a bedroom back here. And
That's got a door to outside behind that door.
this is going to be a bathroom over here.
So this will be a bedroom? Or no?
Actually, no.
Or bedroom back here?
This will just be a big open room. I'm
Okay.
sorry.
Nice fireplace will get redone probably.
Yes. But this will be a whole new bathroom right here.
Okay. Wow, big one too. So this is the bathroom you're creating?
Yeah, the bathroom we're creating. There's already plumbing here, so we're gonna have to cut into the concrete and run it into the other vents and stuff. And the plumbers were here this morning to look at that.
So it'll be oh, I like this little, well, I assume you won't keep the
Yeah, this
island.
is gonna get torn. Yeah, it's gonna get torn out.
So this will be 3 bedrooms. Let's go.
We haven't really fully decided, you know, like
Yeah.
3 bedrooms as of right now. We could make this another bedroom.
Okay. What's this door go to?
That's a bad. That is the garage.
Oh, garage. Okay, so 1 car.
1 car garage.
Nice and long though too.
Yeah, this is super hot area for rental, for purchasing, for everything.
Yeah. Well, with all the new construction, that says a lot.
Yeah, new construction. Anderson Hospital right by here. Anderson Hospital's within 2 miles from here. It brings a lot of jobs to the area. And Edmondsville overflow, there's just a lot of, it's the county seat in Edmondsville. So bedroom number 1.
Closet. Bedroom 1.
Bathroom. This will all be gutted, brand new.
Look at those tiny little doors.
Hey, this paint's wet, just so you know.
Okay.
So,
Don't touch
just got
anything.
some on my
Oh no! So this will all get torn out, redone. Don't touch the paint, it's wet. As I have a white shirt on.
Another bedroom.
Okay.
Third bedroom here. So there's
Nice.
3 bedrooms as we sit right now.
Okay.
That could be made into another bedroom if we want. We're kind of in that stage right now.
It's pretty standard around here that masters don't necessarily have bathrooms. Like shared bathrooms are a pretty common thing.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Yep. So in this
Nice big
particular
living
area,
room.
you've got some of the older homes like this that are getting redone with new construction popping up in
Yeah.
the middle of it. So it's kind of like
I mean, even looking through this window, that's more new construction. I mean, there's more new construction than not. Fantastic. Ooh, this one's killer.
if you want to walk around back. back
Thanks.
there. Okay, so this is chopped up. Let's
Other side.
yeah, we're done.
There's that garage.
Fenced in yard.
Oh yeah. This is great. On a storage shed.
So you can see all the new windows.
Oh, nice.
You won't see that because that's going to be all brand new siding.
Okay, so the whole thing's getting new siding.
Yep.
Wow, I'm not even gonna recognize this place when it's done. Oh, look, it all goes all okay.
You can
Oh,
see-
this is great.
You can see how new the roof is right there from your
Yeah, so the roof's already been replaced.
Yeah, so this house, I mean, virtually will look like a brand new house. Brand new kitchen, brand new bathroom.
Yeah.
All new flooring, new plumbing in certain spots.
Yeah.
New HVAC.
Neighbors keep their yard really nice.
You can see down here, got another new construction right there.
Yeah.
So a lot of that's popping up in the area. And that's
Yeah.
a big development here that you see
Yeah.
earlier, but it even goes further back that way.
Yeah. All good landscaping over here. Yeah, this is great. All right, 209 Nepute.